How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to build muscle for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So how do you build muscle for beginners? The number one thing we need to build muscle is we need to eat more calories than what we need to maintain. Most guys need about 2,500 calories to maintain. To build muscle, try to eat 3,000 calories a day. That's the first rule. Eat more calories than what you need to maintain. Second rule, you have to progressively overload in the gym. Basically means you got to get stronger in the gym. You have to do more than what you did before. Doesn't necessarily mean adding weight, but adding weight is normally the one people do. You could be adding reps, adding sets, increasing time under tension, decreasing rest periods, increasing range of motion, adding drop sets, supersets, trisets, adding in other exercises. Lots and lots of different ways to progressively overload. A lot of my videos, I show you guys body weight movements, and what we do with that is I always do high repetitions because high volume is really good for building muscle. So that is how you do it, you guys. You want to eat more than what you need to maintain. Because muscle, you need to build it from something. You need extra calories because you're building something, right? You need more of it to build it. Your body can't just magically build muscle without food. It needs more of it to build it. And to progressively overload, you need to do more, because the whole point of working out is actually breaking your body down, breaking the muscle down. When we eat more, that repairs the muscle. So we're breaking it down, repairing it, breaking it down, repairing it. It's a cycle. That's what we're doing every time. So end of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.